Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you today this little bit of a glammy but natural on the go every single day look. It's really easy to achieve, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to take my NARS foundation. I've primed and prepped my face, and I'm just going to use the beauty blender to apply this. Next for concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Tate Shape Concealer. Now this is quite light for my skin, but I'm going to make this work. Next for brows, I'm going to use the Brow Kit Shape and Define. And I'm just going to start carving out my brows. Then for contour, I'm going to be using a cream contour. I'm using the KKW Beauty Contour Stick. I am actually going to use my beauty blender because I find it just works for me to blend out my cream contour. Now for bronzer, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm just going to take this middle shade. I flipping love this palette. It gives you such a nice glow, but without it looking really harsh. Now for eyes, I'm going to use the Too Faced Just Peachy palette. And I'm going to grab this nice browny orange colour. I'm going to work that into my crease. And I'm going to use that as my transition colour. I'm just going to keep blending until I feel it looks perfect. Now just for the lids, I'm going to use that little bit of a lighter shade. And I'm going to take it underneath my eyes as well. Now I'm not going to go mad with the eyes, I'm just going to use a mascara. I would usually use false lashes, but this is kind of a natural look, so I'm just going with mascara. Now I've been in love with carving out my contour lately, so I'm just going to take a translucent powder and just start carving the contour out. Then with a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend it in a little bit. It just gives your face shape. It's really good to use a translucent powder. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take a white pencil and just outline my waterline. For my favourite part, the highlighter, I'm going to use just a goldy highlighter, just because it's summer. And you can see that highlighter is popping. I always use a little bit on my nose as well. Now lastly for lips, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution in the colour Stripped, and I'm not even going to bother with a lip liner because this is just a natural everyday look. So I'm just going to go straight in with this liquid lipstick. So I really hope you enjoyed that look, and it's very easy to do and achieve.